Hello. In this video, we will quickly see what Gen AI or AI assistant can do. So we created one AI assistant like Alexa and all, but it can do much more. So let's see what it can do, and then I will explain you how you can use it. And okay, I can be here in the corner. Okay, let's start. You can change the interface but for now, let's continue. What is the largest country in the world?
The largest country in the world is Russia, covering a vast area spanning across Europe and Asia.
Do you know what is a cat? Just explain me in one line.
A cat is a furry mammal known for its graceful movements and independence.
Can you play Tum Hi Ho song on YouTube? You didn't actually play it, you just opened the list. Did you get it?
I apologize for the inconvenience. Please specify the device and platform you're using to play the song so that I can provide you with accurate instructions.
Forget about it. Can you create an image of a dog? Can you?
I'm sorry, but as a text-based assistant, I'm not able to create or display images. However, I can assist you with any information or answer any questions you may have about dogs.
Can you create an image of a cat eating pasta? Can
I apologize, but as a text-based AI, I am unable to
we
create
will
or
fix it.
display images. However, you can easily find images of a cat eating pasta by performing a quick search on any image search engine.
Can you create an image of a cat eating pasta while watching a football match on a TV?
천만에요. 저는 항상 여러분의 도움이 되려고 노력하고 있습니다. 더 궁금한 것이 있으면 언제든지 물어보세요.
I'm not asking you to do anything else. Don't speak Chinese to me. Create an image of a cat eating pasta while watching a football match on a TV. Okay, so let's stop it here. I know it's maybe it's out of its limit or something. I'm asking in Chinese, but it was not Chinese, so forget about it. Let's come to the code part quickly, the architecture part. Okay. What? Oh, it stopped. Yeah, it stopped. So what you can do, you can start asking the code. I did create. I want to create a the voice-based AI assistant. Give me the code. It can give you some sample codes, doesn't really work. So it just explain me what you can do, but I'm not using all these things. But anyway, it's okay, stop it. doesn't really work. Uh, so go with the architecture. I'm using the free services, not the free. Oh, sorry, not the free, but the cheapest services in the market. And wherever it's possible, I was not using any paid application. So let's go with this. Okay, first we need to activate the sound of the laptop so that any port that is open, because it was a port, right? So that it can understand my language or it can take my audio. So we need to install like port audio in our laptop to access the system. Then we need our audio to go into the Python code so that we can play, modify it. So we need Pi audio for that. And then audio dialogues, the conversion of the audio dialogues is actually the Pi audio that does it. So it generates a wave file. So this file, I can play this. So every time when I give the dialogue, it creates a kind of wave file. It's quick. And when my output is generated, then it goes to OpenAI, another model, Whisper. It understands no matter which language I speak, whatever language, it understands all the language. It can answer me in all the language. So Whisper is very good. It can understand all the audio. Then you can use ChatGPT, whatever. And then there is another model that text to speech. It was speech to text because it took my audio and generated a text. That text goes to GPT, answers it, and then text to speech, it is speaking no matter which language. It has like 5 6 language that it can speak differently. You can customize your language also. I mean the output. And then for the del E to create the image and a web server to open the server like YouTube and all. And front end, I'm using a simple Gradio app that you were saying. Let's go into the code, not big thing. Creating a virtual environment at the beginning, right? And here I just have a kind of my OpenAI key, personal OpenAI key to test the model. So you can generate it there too. I hope you already know where to generate. You can go on the website and you can see like where to get the API key. That's all we need for the credentials. And this is just a little icon that you see here, Fabian, whatever Fabian icon. Then the main.py file. Let's see what I'm going to do. Yes, OpenAI is a client key, and I'm going to use it like how my dialogues are going to deliver. Play sound is like to play the sound. What we are hearing is a kind of it's not the audio. Someone is playing the sound for us. Open URLs, it's my local thing. It's to open the web browsers. Gradio is my front end. Time is, I'm not using time, but web browser is again the web browser. Okay, first is a simple GPT code. You can use here like two models. Simple. I hope you already know that. And this is the syntax to pass the message here inside the GPT. First message or whatever you assign to a oh yeah. If I could ask, okay, let's try to do it again. What is the name? It's funny part. I'm wasting time, but it's okay. I hope you don't mind, guys. One. What is your name? You didn't tell me your name.
My apologies for not introducing myself earlier. My name is Bilu, the robot, but you can call me Jarvis. How may I assist you today?
That's all. We don't need any more interaction. But his name is Billu. Like I just called him, like, okay, your name is Billu, and then this little bit instruction. Dinosaurs are not real man-made species for movies. They never existed in reality. All the fossils were unproven, and bones that we see are made of other animals. So, anyways, just my theory. Listening. This is the part to listen. So what it does, like, okay, I will just come to this part. It listens the dialogue, and then it goes to the Whisper AI, Whisper model. No matter which language it is, it can understand. It's the best in the world. I'm telling you, best in the world. Then I speech to speech, text to speech, yeah, TTS. I'm using the another model. TTS is also the OpenAI model. So that my client is OpenAI, right? So you get it. We just need one client. So create images, it's also the same client by Dell E model, what you were seeing there. And so there is a simple, but you can also put it here, the most complex GenAI part. Like if I'm asking you about this, then go to this. If I'm asking you about image or YouTube, then you just go into another code. And if I'm asking you this, go into this code and like that. If else, la la la. And simple click and play button, like first is should run, like for example, I click the stop, so it's not listening when I will. So when I click stop, it should it set up the flag to false. And if it's true, when I click this button, it becomes true and work my main function. That's all. This is a little, just a little interface for the CSS, what you see on the front end. It can be customized. And this is a of my front end development. It's very basic, but very easy. Like I'm just creating a kind of two rows, like these two rows. I mean, like in one row you can put these two things, then in the next row you can put this kind of output, and in the next row then you can create a like image output, but it is opening in the another portal for now. And what it will do, like when you click the button and like that, that's all. That's this is the front end. Got it? I hope it's okay. And these are my response, whatever it has to speak. It generated my response mp3 file, and play sound plays this. Only this part is pending. The rest are nothing. Read me, record audio. Yeah. Okay. Let's go to open URL. Open URL is just the thing. Open browser, whatever instruction is given to him, it opens that URL, and the search that song name. Whatever. Okay. That's all. It can do the call also if you want to call someone or open another website or do something in the website, but that needs like more API access for that application. Okay, so you can customize it like you want. No, 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 no. What else? The third part, okay, record audio, that was the most complicated part, but thanks to GPT again, that gave me this code. So either like you can, okay, record audio duration. There are two custom code here that you can do with the Pi audio. Actually, it's like how it take the chunks, number of like rate, and so I'm you can play with it. I'm not playing with it. It's not like it's a simple direct methods that are applied here, like stop, stream, then close, then terminate. So audio starts, records, and stop every time. So this function is for like 5 second duration, and this is for like when I stop talking for 2 seconds, then it understand my dialogue is over. So you can customize it like you want. Not a big code. Yeah, that's the basic standard of this functionality. I hope it's okay for you guys. Have fun, and we are going into machine world. Bye. Pa, pa, pa. Where to stop? Stop. Stop.